Rfinance RFI is a comprehensive DeFi ecosystem. It traces its crypto aggregation protocol from the kindred apps, mainly the Aave, Compound, or Didex, leveraging the potential within the open source code and decentralization. Rfinance is a complete marketplace. On the Rfinance RFI, the lenders and the borrowers can negotiate and come to terms without the use of a third party. RFI aids the automatic movement of the positions between the lender and the borrower agreements. It assists the depositors in accessing high yield rates from their capital. And in this video, I will elaborate all the things regarding the RFI token, and also I will tell you something about the main platform of the RFI token. And the second thing, that the pre-sale is ongoing at this time, so you have the chance to buy this token at very low price. I will also share it.
Feel uninvited.
Here comes the entire website of the Rfinance RFI token. And secondly, the team is working on the mobile app because the main mission of the team is to ensure that every person in any place of the world can enjoy the benefits of the DeFi. RFI has built a robust smartphone app. All that users need is a smartphone and internet connection to earn. The app is intuitive, secure, scalable, and efficient. And right now the team is developing the entire app for you, and you can easily utilize that app on your personal mobile phone. Now the basic supply, or you can say the total supply of the RFI token, is only and only 50,000 token. And in the pre-sale, now the major thing is the pre-sale. At this time, if you are going to buy the token, you will get from 1 Ethereum, you will get up to 40 RFI token. But when the team is going to list the RFI token on the Uniswap exchange, then the 1 Ethereum, then with 1 Ethereum, basically you will get only and only 20 RFI. So it means that you will get 1x very easily if you are going to buy the token directly from the private sale. It is entirely very easy. No need to connect your wallets or no need to sign up on the website. Simply you have to send the Ethereum directly from your Trust wallet or from your MetaMask or from your MyEther wallet, and then you will get your RFI tokens directly in that very wallet. Here you can see the entire roadmap, and the best part, here you can see on the Twitter main page the main tweet of them. Now what you have to do, now I'm going to focus on the main thing, that you only and only have to send the Ethereum on this address. Here you can see when the team is going to list the token on the Uniswap exchange, 1 Ethereum is equal to 20 RFI token. And here you can see the address. You just have to send the Ethereum, 1 Ethereum for example, you will get 40 RFI tokens. And when the team is going to list the token, then definitely you will get at least 2 Ethereum. So definitely you will get some good profit with this token. Now about the token, that what is the main planning of this token. Now I'm going to tell you something about that one. Rfinance is a financial posting board. On this board, the lenders offer the loans in a trustless manner from the pools of the funds. They contribute to these pools with their deposits. Lenders in turn borrow these funds, then pay them back with the interest. It means it is a whole platform where the borrowers and the lenders will meet, and they will, for example, if you are a borrower, you will get the loan directly from the RFI platform. And if you want to give the loan, you can also utilize this platform. So it's a great thing about this token. And as per about the price prediction, this token will reach minimum as per my own price prediction, $100 in near future. So it's your time to grab the opportunity. Here you can see the address. Simply you have to send the Ethereum and you will get your RFI in maximum 24 hours. So grab this opportunity right now. Thanks a lot.